Welcome to Best Choice. The Best J Hooks is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of fishing tackle available, offering anglers a reliable and effective way to secure a wide variety of bait and target numerous species of fish, making them an indispensable tool for both novice and experienced fishermen alike. Number 5. UCEC 2X Strong Offset Circle Fishing Hooks. Experience a revolutionary fishing hook design. Its incredibly sharp, offset point and special barb ensure a secure hook set in the corner of the fish's mouth, significantly reducing mortality. These hooks are a must-have for any angler, perfect for both inshore freshwater and saltwater fishing adventures. They come in 8 assorted sizes, ideal for a wide variety of popular game fish. Crafted from high-carbon steel, these hooks offer superior strength and excellent corrosion resistance. They are built to perform reliably in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Each hook features a precisely formed die for easy line attachment. The shaft and barb are expertly designed for effortless hooking and a masterfully secure hold. This great assortment includes 8 different sizes, neatly organized in a durable plastic box. With 150 or 240 pieces per box, sorting, storing, and carrying your tackle has never been easier. What we like. This hook features an extremely sharp, offset point designed to ensure a secure hookup in the corner of the fish's mouth, significantly reducing fish mortality. Its special barb design is a game-changer for conservation-minded anglers. If you prioritize catch-and-release fishing or want to minimize harm to the fish you catch, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The J hooks are incredibly sharp and penetrate the fish's mouth with ease, leading to fewer lost catches. The corrosion-resistant coating on these J hooks ensures they last through multiple fishing trips, even in saltwater environments. Their unique design provides excellent bait holding capability, preventing bait from sliding off during casts or while waiting for a bite. Number 4. Gamakatsu Octopus Hooks. Introducing the Gamakatsu Octopus Hooks, designed for the outdoor lifestyle. These hooks are built for durability and performance. Featuring a closed-eye design, these hooks ensure a secure line connection. This makes rigging quick and reliable. Crafted from forged steel, they offer exceptional strength and longevity. You can trust them for your toughest fishing adventures. The barbed point provides a secure hold once a fish is hooked. This minimizes the chance of losing your catch. With an offset point, these hooks are designed for better hookups. They increase your chances of landing more fish. The black anodized finish not only looks sleek but also provides corrosion resistance. This ensures they perform well in various conditions. What we like. Crafted from forged steel with a black anodized finish, this hook offers superior strength and durability. The offset point is designed for effective penetration and holding power. If you're looking for a reliable, no-nonsense hook that can handle tough conditions and a variety of fish species, this option is a solid contender. What people say. The J hooks are very sharp and hold fish well. These hooks are strong and durable, perfect for saltwater fishing. The design of the J hooks makes them easy to bait and they don't bend easily. Number 3. UCEC EWG Offset Worm Base Hooks. Introducing the UCEC fishing hooks, designed for serious anglers. These hooks are built to handle big bass and ensure a successful catch every time. Our unique Z-Lock shoulder bend firmly holds your soft plastic baits in place. The heavy-duty forged shank is perfect for rigging large worms to attract trophy bass. Crafted from 2X strong high-carbon steel with chemically sharpened points, these hooks offer exceptional strength and deep penetration. The black chrome finish provides excellent corrosion resistance. The wide-gap design allows for easy embedding and a natural presentation of various bait sizes. This feature also minimizes the chance of fish escaping your hook. These hooks are incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of soft plastic baits and rigging methods like Texas and Carolina rigs. They perform exceptionally well in both freshwater and saltwater environments. This assortment includes 100 hooks in 6 different sizes, from number 1 to 50, conveniently packed in a portable plastic box. You'll have the perfect hook for any bass fishing scenario. What we like. This hook boasts a unique Z-lock shoulder bend that securely holds soft plastic baits, preventing them from sliding down the shank. Its wide gap design ensures easy and natural hook sets, even with larger baits. If you're a bass angler who frequently uses soft plastics and wants to maximize your bait's effectiveness and hookup ratio, this is the hook for you. What people say. The J hooks are very sharp and durable. The J hooks are easy to tie on and hold bait well. The J hooks are strong and do not bend easily. Number 2. Saltwater J hooks, 130 PCS stainless steel fishing hooks. This comprehensive kit includes 130 fishing hooks in various sizes, from 10 to 80, along with 20 fishing beads. It's perfectly sized for a wide range of fish, including snapper, fluke, striped bass, and catfish. Crafted from high-quality 420 stainless steel, these hooks offer excellent rust resistance and durability. They are forged for superior strength and feature a needle-sharp point for instant penetration. The ringed eye is ideal for trolling, chunking, or jigging. Its straight, long shank allows for easy removal from fish, and the special barbs are designed to reduce mortality. These hooks are 2x heavy and 1x long, making them standard all-purpose saltwater hooks. They are popular for a variety of saltwater and freshwater species. The classic O'Shaughnessy hook design is time-tested and popular for both inshore and offshore fishing. This traditional saltwater style is perfect for trolling, bottom fishing, or rigging with soft plastic baits. What we like. Made from durable stainless steel, this hook features a long shank and a forged O'Shaughnessy-style design, making it ideal for trolling and jigging applications. The long shank also aids in easier hook removal. If you're targeting larger saltwater species like striped bass or catfish and need a robust hook for aggressive fishing techniques, this is a great option. What people say. The J hooks are very sharp and penetrate the fish easily. These hooks are made of high-quality steel and are very durable. The design of the J hooks allows for a secure grip on the fish, preventing them from escaping. Number 1. JSHANMEI Baitholder Hooks Kit. Introducing the JSHANMEI Baitholder Hooks Kit, a comprehensive set designed for serious anglers. This kit provides a reliable solution for all your fishing needs. Crafted from high-carbon steel with a black nickel finish, these hooks offer exceptional toughness and resistance to corrosion. You can trust their strength for extended use. Featuring 2 distinct barbs on the shank, they ensure your bait stays firmly in place. This design significantly reduces the risk of your bait falling off during fishing. With a beaked point and an offset design, these hooks are engineered for secure hookups. They easily penetrate the fish's mouth, preventing escape. These hooks are perfect for both freshwater and saltwater environments. They are effective for a wide variety of popular game fish. This package contains 200 hooks in 5 assorted sizes, from 20 to 4 #. They come conveniently boxed and are easy to carry for any fishing trip. What we like. This hook is specifically designed with 2 prominent barbs on the shank to securely hold live bait in place, preventing it from falling off. Combined with a beaked hooked point for effective penetration, it's built to maximize your chances of a successful catch. If you prefer using live bait and want a hook that keeps your bait secure and ensures a solid hookup, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The J hooks are very sharp and hold bait well. These hooks are strong and durable, perfect for saltwater fishing. The design of the J hooks makes them easy to tie and they don't slip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.